Hi everyone, my name is Vera. I'm working in Test Pro, and we have today Anastasia, who is student Test Pro, and she found job. Great job! Congratulations. Hi. Can you tell me about yourself? How did you hear about Test Pro? But before, just a little story about what did you do before IT, QA engineer? Just a little story about yourself, please.
Okay. Hi guys, my name is Anastasia and I just moved to USA like about 3 years ago and I do different jobs. I do background extras. I work as a nanny and I work as a photographer, so I have a lot of different jobs. And how I found my Test Pro, I just have a lot of friends who knows about Test Pro or who's finished this pro, and I'm just like, should I go? I should go. Sorry, and I'm there. I work there.
It's cool. Like you choose Test Pro, but did you check another bootcamp? Why choose you Test Pro?
Okay, I
What's exactly?
do all of the uh, testing schools, all of the boot camp in Los Angeles, and I check reviews and everything. And what is my opinion? Just Sport has like real new innovation strategy, and they use like real devices, not devices like environments and everything, what you find in your real job. So it's really helpful for you to just follow step what they give you, or when you went to the school, just it's really helpful because which all of these when you use in Test Pro, you're gonna use it in your job. So
It's
really.
cool. And can you tell me how did you do a first test in IT without like experience? What you feeling
Oh,
first
okay.
testing?
It was afraid. I was afraid was what's going on. Like, and after just calm down. It's okay. Everyone is helping. Especially, I think in this industry, everyone's gonna get help. You're just don't be afraid. Relax, and it's not that hard as you think. So it was like pretty nervous for me, but it's really good. you know,
It's really good, not hard.
not that hard as you think. Yeah.
Can you tell me how did you find job? How do you did search? It was hard. What HR asked you on the interview? Just little about this.
Sure. So I run through all of the websites about job searching, but my main focus was on LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Dice. So each time when I found like new position, I'm apply, and as many as I apply, I was like more satisfied. So, and how my interview was like the last one when I get the job. First one I have like first like call. They call me and like ask me a question like, can you start your job and are you eligible to work in USA? I'm saying yes, and that's all. And after I have another interview, after this one, they asked me non-technical question. It was about like toast, like how do you make a toast with bread, jam, and peanut butter? Just like say your steps. And all the question was like this, and it's really nice. And um, usually they ask me a question: is it okay for you work remotely? So for you guys, say yes, sure. It's really good. So yeah, that's how I found my job.
Great. Do you like it? Now you're working. What you feeling?
I'm working about like 2 weeks and I really love it. It's really nice. Everyone is friendly. Everyone is like help for you if you looking for something because you in the first week you discover the product. What is this? How to use this? Is it bug? So yeah, ask as many as question as you have, and it's fine. And everyone is asking answers back. So it's really really calm, nice, and not that stressful as I think.
Can you tell me what you like advice for new students, or like what need to do exactly find job, or maybe who wants to study Netis Pro? What do you say?
I think my advice is just, guys, don't be afraid. Just just go. Just like, jump. Don't be afraid, because investing in your studying in it's investing in your life. You're going to get more if you invest less than you you know this. And just don't be afraid. Don't afraid to apply for any job. Don't afraid to make mistakes. Just don't be afraid. Just invest to yourself, improve yourself, and you're gonna be best of yourself. It's my advice.
Good. Thank you so much, and good luck. Congratulations again, and I hope you will come back. We have automation course too. You will grow up, and good luck on your new job. And it's good news. Okay, thank you so much for sharing your story. Okay,
Thank
bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye.
you. Bye.